Magtarong diha. We're going na. Ready. Get set. Go. Kunri ka. Kayas pa, tuhod.
So you stay here behind me so I can help you.
Okay lang, mamaya ya. Kaya niya yan ya.
Pero dyan mamaya may
dito.
May bato-bato.
Sige guys. We're going to the cave now with the tour guide. Dalawa tour guide namin. Hello ate.
Backup guide.
Backup.
Mario.
So, we are with Kuya Mario, our tour guide. Ano name mo? Ha? Mary Jean. And Kuya Mario, our tour guide. Yeah.
Mary.
Wow. Ano to? Start na dito ya. Cave na to ya. Hala.
Buti summer. Walang ulan.
Wala.
Dahil matulas.
Pero kahapon mayroon ulan-ulan.
Opo, meron nga po. May hapon naman ito, nag-aulap na Maganda nga yung mga kaba.
Okay. Start holding the...
You hold the cable, sir.
The cable. Pwede pa naman. Mas yun, bundok yung inakit ko doon sa amin.
Saan po?
Doon sa Kamutis.
Ha?
Ang bukid pa nito. Iwan ko lang dito sa unahan kung taas na ba.
Meron po yan dyan ng mga bato-bato.
Talaga.
Pero, okay lang naman.
Doon talaga, bundok talaga inakyat ko. Oo. Slowly ni. Okay, we are the adventurous now in Palawan. Ano to ya? Tagbinit?
Tagabinit.
Barangay Tagabinit. Prior to Princesa, Palawan. Okay. So, here in the cave, the 100 Caves is located in Barangay Tagabinit, Puerto Princesa, Palawan, guys.
Puerto Princesa City.
Okay. Puerto Princesa City. Barangay Tagabinit.
I put my camera here because
your camera is useless. Okay. Whoops.
it's okay.
Be careful of the stone, big rock. Whoops.
You hold her like this here.
Yeah. You hold the handrail.
You hold
Good to make a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yun, nakakit na si Kuya.
Before I was doing this easy.
Be careful there, ma'am. There is a hole.
Okay.
Sir. Sige po.
Ay. Slowly ni.
Sir, there is a hole. Be careful there.
Yeah.
Be careful. Slowly lang. Kay mga kanahan. Whoops. Hold. Slowly lang. Just hold me. The important is you should hold the wire. Wala ka doon niya yung inakyat ko. PC lang yung ginamit. Wow, day ko po. You can do it, ne?
No, I cannot.
Ha?
I cannot.
You cannot do it? Then we come back.
Go! Go, I go more quicker than you lah.
How come? I depend on you. If I will run, I can do it. I can run here. Kita na ko panti. Where are you ni? Challenge na ni mo daw eh. Yeah, we can do it ni. It's nice.
Exercise for me, yeah.
Yeah, why not coconut? Easy.
Daming langgam.
It's up na. Pero may exitanan. O dito tayo babalik ya.
Hindi po.
May exitanan.
Ibang exit natin.
Okay. Madali na.
Pababa naman yung
Pababa. Mag-ano na lang siya, mag-slide para mabilis. Gani.
Climb, come on.
Yes.
It's good.
It's good It's not so high. Yeah, good for exercise.
Exercise, good for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Long time I don't do exercise. Only driving motor, but it's not exercise.
It's not exercise driving motor.
Very little.
This one is good challenge for your health.
Okay. Step mo na dyan, doon. Sa bato dyan. Step first, you step there, and then, here. No.
Ako na.
You step
Kuya,
first.
basig mahibili.
Okay, you step there. Yeah.
It's okay.
Okay.
I can go.
Wala pa tayo sa cave. Di ba?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
Yan naman bato, ma'am.
Ito na.
Yan na po.
Ito. Ay.